Breelers, I'm intrigued. Ano nga kaya ang naging sanhi ng pagpatay sa Golden Retriever na si Kilua? At bukod pa doon, naniniwala rin ba kayo sa pananaw ko na you hurt our pets and you hurt us? Quick facts muna tayo, Breelers. Nag-circulate ngayon sa social media yung nangyari kay Kilua na Golden Retriever na pinatay siya ng isang tao. Nakikita sa CCTV na hinahabol nung tao mismo, ayokong pangalanan yung tao. Hinahabol ng tao na yon yung Golden Retriever at pinaghahampas niya. I think kahoy yung ginamit niyang panghampas. And dun sa CCTV, pinakita dun na hindi niya tinantanan, hindi niya tinigilan hanggat hindi namamatay si Kilua. And then lately, lumabas din yung kwento naman ni Erica kung saan si Erica ay napagkamala na siya yung kumagat dun sa isang Korean national. Apparently, hindi naman pala. So parang may paghihiganting nangyayari. Sa akin, Breelers, bago natin tumbukin yung point ko, I think it could be na yung nag-trigger dun sa lalaki na patayin si Kilua was probably nagulat niya si Kilua, siguro naapakan niya, and then nag-react negatively yung dog. And obviously, maski mabait naman si Kilua, there's still a chance na magpakita siya ng surprise behavior na hindi ganun ka-acceptable para probably dun sa taong pumatay sa kanya. But the question remains na kung ganun man yung naging reaksyon ni Kilua, no? Say hi to Bali pala. This is Bali. Okay, Bali. So, I was thinking kasi na kung ganun man naging reaksyon ni Kilua, enough ba? Or tama ba yung naging reaksyon ng tao para patayin siya? First, hinampas niya, hinabol niya, pwede naman he stops there. Pero talagang ang naging motive is to really kill Kilua. In fact, nilagay pa nga niya sa sako. Ang sabi ay para itago dun sa owner. I don't want to really focus on that because just talking about the story of Kilua with my team, nakakalungkot, nakaka-low vibes. Kasi naniniwala rin ba kayo dun sa paniniwala ko na you hurt our pets, you hurt us. For us, like Bali is one of our 4 pets at home. And Bali is not just a pet. Bali is a family. Bali is one of our children. And when you hurt them, you absolutely hurt us. They're humans. They're owners. And if you have respect to other human beings and you don't look at animals or pets equally, then you have to reconsider your stand. You have to broaden your perspective. It's about time that we normalize all pets are like humans too. They are our children. They are our family. You hurt them, definitely you hurt us. And when you hurt us, you know, tao sa tao, hindi kami papayag ng sorry lang. Worse is you're not even remorseful about what you did. You took life, we will make sure na yung ating law will be taken into action, and at the same time, certainly, maski hindi kami, maraming tao na may kapasidad para i-improve yung law na yan. Nang sa ganun, mabigyan din ng justice yung mga ginagawa ng mga tao, yung maltreatment, yung animal cruelty ng mga tao sa mga pets who happens to be our children, who happens to be our family.